Hi, my name is Shay and I'm a rising freshman at the Ramaz Upper School. For my main project, I chose a 3D printed robotic hand. It works by, what its purpose is to mimic the actions of my fingers. So when I plug it in, and I put the glove on, and I bend my fingers, the fingers on this hand will mimic them exactly. Alright, so the servos turn because when the flex sensors are bent, it meets a condition in the code that will trigger a function that will make the servos turn to a certain degree. I did it by soldering the ground and power wires of the flex sensor to this board. But instead of doing them on the same row, I did one side. I did one side for ground and one side for power. Same with the servos. I did one side for ground and one side for power. Then I took the pin mode wires of the sensors and attached them to the analog pins on the Arduino. Same with the servos. I took their pin mode wires and attached them to the digital pin, the digital pins on the Arduino. And to connect the whole thing, to finish the circuit, I attached these wires to the breadboard, and I also added a heatsink, which will prevent it from overheating, and then, which will prevent from overheating. And that's really how my whole project works. Challenges I had were mostly sometimes soldering, because it was hard to keep things in place with only two hands, but now I have an extra one. It was just really soldering, which was a little bit difficult, but it was really fun. And I learned a lot from choosing this project. Mostly how to use Arduino more and how to code C. A little bit more on circuitry, and and also not to give up and keep on pushing. Yeah.